Today's topic is obturation technique. Does it really matter? There are many obturation techniques like lateral condensation, warm vertical condensation, sectional obturation with backfill, or single cone technique. Question arises in mind that which is best out of all these, and does it really affect the treatment outcome of RCT? 3D cleaning is important, but is 3D obturation is equally important? You guys, as a clinician, must have done many RCTs in your practice. Think about their success or failure. What matters is how efficiently you clean the canal. Yeah, seal is important, but I guess it's coronal seal which is more important rather than a complete 3D obturation. Many studies in literature states that backfill technique is better than single cone and lateral condensation. But believe me, these all studies focused on replication of irregularities in canal or apical leakage, and some of them claims no significant difference in these techniques. Correlation of obturation technique and treatment outcome is nowhere established. Except some cases during my post graduation days when I was fond of filling lateral canals and sealer puff, I am following single cone obturation or lateral condensation technique, especially in wide canals, and I am quite happy about my success rate. Now you need to understand that obturation is mere reflection of BMP, and many clinicians focus on lateral fills and sealer puff because they want to make sure about the efficiency of BMP. You can say that a criteria to evaluate the quality of BMP radiographically. Another point is you should know the difference between sealer puff and sealer extrusion. Sealer puff is movement of sealer periapically from narrow segmental canal when a vertical obturation pressure on GP is applied, while sealer extrusion is forcefully taking the sealer outside the canal. Sealer extrusion is not advisable at all, and sealer puff is also controversial. Coming to lateral fills, they are treat to eyes, but there are articles in reputed journals which recommends avoiding of lateral canal filling as it can cause post-operative pain also. Read this article before you think of lateral fills. I am talking about their filling, not cleaning. Cleaning is must as much possible by effective irrigation or scouting. So lateral fill can give you thrill. Sealer puff can be delightful, but don't get trapped in all these and mainly focus on 3D cleaning and effective irrigation. Thank you.